The most breathtaking highway vistas you cherish are often meticulously engineered illusions of perspective and scale. Every sweeping curve and dramatic overlook results from countless hours spent plotting visual narratives. Designers don't just build roads, they sculpt experiences, guiding your eye toward pre-selected moments of grandeur. This intricate dance between raw nature and human ingenuity creates powerful, unforgettable journeys for all. Road trips represent quintessential freedom, a deep connection with vast, sprawling continental landscapes. But what if that freedom, the spontaneous beauty outside your window, is a carefully curated masterpiece? Understanding the hidden artistry behind these routes reveals profound appreciation for nature and human craft. These are not merely paths from point A to point B. They are deliberate corridors built for visual impact. Imagine carving a path through rugged mountains or alongside a turbulent coastline, preserving its inherent majesty. Designers balance safety requirements with showcasing unparalleled natural beauty at every strategic turn. They consider sightlines, elevation changes, and strategic stop placement for optimal photo opportunities. Every decision, from guardrail material to shoulder width, subtly influences your driving experience and visual engagement. This behind-the-scenes world involves geological surveys, environmental impact studies, and complex budget negotiations. It's a testament to human ambition, transforming wilderness into accessible, awe-inspiring routes for millions. These efforts ensure future generations also experience the same legendary panoramas we cherish today. The compelling stories embedded within these asphalt ribbons are as rich as the views themselves. The process begins not with concrete, but with extensive topographical maps and environmental assessments. Engineers first identify potential routes, considering geology, water sources, and delicate ecosystems. They often employ advanced laser scanning technology for incredibly detailed digital terrain models. This allows them to simulate road alignments, predicting drainage patterns and erosion risks proactively. But that's just the initial blueprint. The true artistry lies in vista management techniques. Landscape architects meticulously plot, reveal, and conceal sequences, framing views like a cinematographer. They design curves that gradually unveil a panoramic vista, maximizing the emotional impact of the big reveal. Imagine driving through dense forest, then suddenly emerging onto a cliffside overlooking an expansive ocean. This deliberate sequencing creates moments of anticipation, followed by profound visual catharsis for drivers. Sometimes, existing natural features are subtly enhanced, or new ones strategically planted to guide the eye. For instance, clearing specific tree lines can open up a previously hidden mountain peak or winding river. Wait until you hear how they integrate the road itself seamlessly into such diverse natural settings. Building through mountainous regions involves colossal engineering feats, including intricate tunnels and towering bridges. These structures must withstand extreme weather, seismic activity, and constant heavy traffic for decades. Geotechnical engineers analyze rock stability, designing complex shoring systems and essential rockfall barriers. They often use controlled blasting techniques, carefully calibrating charges to remove rock safely. Coastal highways present unique challenges, battling relentless erosion from ocean waves and salt spray. Materials must be chosen for resilience against corrosion, a critical factor for long-term structural integrity. And then something unexpected happened. Historical routes sometimes dictate the path, adding preservation challenges. Maintaining these scenic corridors is an ongoing, often unseen, battle against nature's relentless forces. Crews constantly monitor for landslides, rockfalls, and bridge deterioration, performing preventative repairs diligently. Seasonal changes bring specific issues, from snow and ice removal in winter to wildfire prevention. This continuous vigilance ensures the road remains safe, accessible, and visually stunning year after year. Developing the iconic Blue Ridge Parkway involved decades of careful planning, prioritizing scenic beauty over directness. Its designers purposefully avoided commercial development, focusing on preserving the natural and cultural landscape.
They even designed subtle stone bridges and overlooks to blend harmoniously with surrounding Appalachian environment.
Stone consider bridges and Lombard Street in San overlooks to blend Francisco, Appalachian and environment, extreme example of road design becoming the attraction itself. Though not a highway, it illustrates how careful engineering turns functional necessity into an unforgettable experience. Every small detail, from stone walls to interpretive signs, contributes to the drive's overarching narrative. These seemingly minor elements often result from extensive historical research and community input during design. It's a monumental, collaborative effort, often spanning generations, to bring these grand visions to life. Ultimately, the goal is creating a journey where the road itself becomes an integral, beautiful part of the destination. The careful curation of these scenic routes profoundly impacts local economies, drawing millions of tourists annually. Visitors often spend money on lodging, food, and local attractions, supporting countless small businesses. These roads become powerful symbols of regional identity, fostering pride and attracting new investment. Beyond economics, these routes play a crucial role in environmental conservation and public education. Many scenic highways are designated as national parks or protected areas, safeguarding fragile ecosystems and wildlife. They offer unparalleled access to natural wonders, inspiring stewardship and appreciation for the wild world. Imagine countless scientific expeditions and educational programs facilitated by these well-maintained paths into nature. The accessibility of these beautiful places fosters a deeper connection between people and their natural environment. This connection, in turn, often translates into greater support for conservation efforts and sustainable practices. The psychological impact on drivers is also significant, offering moments of profound peace and exhilarating adventure. Escaping urban environments for these curated natural experiences reduces stress and improves mental well-being. They serve as tangible reminders of human ingenuity, showcasing how engineering can enhance nature. These routes are living legacies, constantly evolving but always striving to offer that perfect, timeless view. The silent work of engineers and designers creates a canvas for personal memories and epic journeys. They transform mere asphalt and concrete into arteries of wonder, connecting humanity to majestic vistas. Ultimately, the scenic road trip is not just about the destination. It's about the meticulously crafted journey itself. The majestic scenic roads we adore are far more than simple asphalt. They are orchestrated works of art. Every captivating vista and sweeping curve reflects a hidden world of design, dedication, and tireless maintenance. Understanding this intricate behind-the-scenes effort deepens our appreciation for every mile of these extraordinary journeys. So next time you embark on a scenic drive, remember the brilliant minds that sculpted your unforgettable experience. If you found this fascinating journey into road trip design inspiring, please subscribe for more incredible stories. And let me know in the comments which scenic highway views have left the most lasting impression on your own travels.